All right, YouTube, so you can see I'm on top of my new building. Today we're going to be installing, they're called like whirlybird vents or turbine vents. We're going to be installing 2 of those on here because I heard that metal buildings have moisture issues, and this is going to prevent them before summertime or springtime hits. So let's get these things started. As you can see, this box, or the vent itself, actually came with a template. So I cut the template out, and I have the cardboard template about where I want it. I'll probably shift it around a little bit because there's a steel stud right there where you see those screws, and there's a steel stud right there, and there's also a steel stud somewhere right in there. Definitely don't want to hit that. I just want to cut the corrugated steel or corrugated tin out. So let's hope we get lucky. I think we will because I measured everything. Alright, so there's one mounted. I still gotta caulk everything up, but I'm gonna kind of do that last because I gotta get my air gun. If I'd have brought my air gun up here, I could have blown all the shavings off. But I'm gonna go to the other side and mount one right there, about the same distance away as this one, and then we'll come back and clean everything up, and then we'll caulk everything up, and then we should be good to go. Well, that one's finished. That caulk dries clear. It'll clear up. Plus, it's on a roof, and you can't really see it from the ground anyway. I know it kind of looks like I caked it up, but I'd rather it be caked up than leak. So, and this piece right here, I had to cut this. It was a piece that they left. You know, they had a lot of extra metal, and they were going to throw it away, and they asked me if I wanted to keep it. So I said, yeah, sure, because you never know, stuff like this could come up. So I ended up cutting a little piece to go, you know, I bolted it down, and then I bolted it to the the back side of this, as you saw. It's pretty much just because I didn't want water to kind of channel down and go under here, and which when you use an entire tube of caulk on something like this, there should be no water anyways. But that's that. And that one over there is finished. I'll get a shot from the ground so you can kind of see what it looks like. They're working really good, because when I was inside, I kind of got a ladder and got up close and watered that one over there. I haven't got down and checked this one yet, but you could feel it pulling the heat out, which is exactly what I want. So I'm pretty happy with the way these things are working so far. And that one over there looks like it's wobbling. These things do that. They get kind of damaged in shipment. See how this one's smooth? And that one over there is kind of wobbly. They might get damaged kind of in shipment, and all you have to do is you just go over there and hold it in place where the high spot is, and you can just kind of bend down on it. I'm gonna go fix that before I get down right quick. So there they are. I almost forgot to get this clip, but it's in the evening. It's gonna be dark in about 20-30 minutes, but there they are, and they're working great. I'm gonna put some vents on the side. You probably saw those in another video I mentioned about putting those up. I might do that tomorrow if I have time, but I'm not sure. But they're gonna go right in the top corner there. I'm probably gonna put one on each side or something like that. I'm not really sure. One might do, but I figure the more airflow the better, right? Thanks for watching, guys. I'll have the next one posted up soon.